Chainsaw basics. We've done the layout and flagging. Now cut the trees down in a safe and organized fashion. Select the right saw for the job, but always bring extras. Cutting yourself is the most immediate concern. It's very common to lower your saw and let it rest on your thigh, especially as you fatigue. You may get away with this for a while, but if you're not mindful, the saw will bite your leg. Try to narrow it down would be another piece of advice, don't try to do everything. Try to pick a very specific field.